Hello little Mochi, so this is Kate from the fashion brand PinkyMochi. So I hope you are well today, and so today I wanted to show you the behind the scene of my brand, and so show you the processes of creation of my future crop top, So for the moment it's totally white, and I want to show you because I want to add words on it. And so I want to add Shelly Chan. So Shelly is French and Chan is in Japanese, and that's gonna be in hiragana. So I want to do that with this paper. So this is paper like this. So the word Shelly gonna be in pink, so it's like shimmery pink, and the Chan gonna be in black. And so I want to try to do that, and I will try to show you that like I can. So with this paper, actually, I need to make the design, to draw the design, and after I need to cut the form, put on the crop top, and after pass the iron. So I use this paper because it's only the prototype for the moment. And so one time the prototype is done, I'm gonna show you the result, and I really hope you're gonna like it. And if you like the result, I'm gonna contact the company who prints the t-shirt, show them the model, prepare the design and everything, and they're gonna print them. And so I'm gonna put everything on my shop and on all the platforms like Etsy and things like this. And so I really hope you're gonna like the final result of the crop top. I'm so excited to show you. And so let's get started. result of the first part for the crop top. So I finished to print the word Shelly, and so I really love the result. It's like shimmery pink, and so yeah. So this is only the first part because I want to, like you can see before, like earlier in the video, I didn't put the chan because the result of the chan wasn't good enough, so I didn't put it for now, but I'm gonna make it and in the next video and gonna put like the chan, but in really like little. I really want something like really feminine and little, so the chan I made before wasn't good enough. Anyway, so yeah, I want to add the word chan, and I want to add like one bow on each side of the, how you call this, on each side of the t-shirt, of the crop top, and that's gonna be finished. And this is only like the prototype, so like so I need the prototype to send the model to the company who print t-shirt. Like this I can print like I want, and I need the prototype for you to show you before the result, and like see if you like it or not, and I really hope you're gonna like it. So yeah, that's it for the crop top, and I'm really happy of the result for now. So I'm gonna film the second part of the video tonight or like tomorrow for sure, and try to put it as fast as I can on Instagram and YouTube. And so that's it. So I really hope you enjoy watching this video, and I'm gonna try to do better for the next one. So yeah, thank you so much, and